nail friends, and welcome back to Easy Nails. If you are not subscribed, please make sure you do. I post tons of videos on here teaching you how to get gorgeous and beautiful affordable nails, all from the comfort of your own home. So today I am testing out my Royalty Nail Supplies acrylic for the first time, and I do have a haul coming up to show you guys exactly which acrylic colors I picked up. And we're going to be doing a spring nail set today with some butterflies. So first off the bat, I figured out that I absolutely love their formula. It is very similar to the Zoev acrylic formula. So you can do a one ball method really easy with this. And then on this finger, I am picking up Valentino in Cotton Candy, and I'm just putting that on the entire nail. And so the Royalty Nail Supply acrylic was really easy to work with, super easy to do a one ball method. So I really like that. And then I have these different colored hearts here. I placed that right into the Valentino Cotton Candy while it was still kind of wet. So I'm just randomly placing these butterflies into the wet acrylic. And you guys are going to see here me working with the Royalty Nail Supply. I do think you should work like a little bit on the drier side. This bead was too wet, so it was a little bit runny. Just work a little bit on the drier side. Once you pick up a bead, hold it on your brush for a little bit, let it polymerize, and then place it on your nail. And then do not like tap the acrylic into place. Don't pull the acrylic brush. So you guys can see how I just kind of pat it into place, and it's really easy to work with as long as you use like those patting motions instead of swiping it down. It's super easy to work with, super easy to do a one ball method as well. I really enjoyed it. I would say it's a little bit not as dry as the Zoev, but you do have to work like in drier beads and just let it polymerize on your brush a second. And then place it on the nail and just pat it into place, tap it into place. So I'm going to be going in with this gorgeous Light Elegance gel polish. This is a gold glitter polish, and it's called Bling Bling. And I'm going with this on the nails with the butterflies. So what I did was I made sure I got a swipe with a lot of glitter in it, and then I wiped the gel off of the brush, so I just had kind of the glitters. And then I used the brush to move them around where I wanted to, so that like I could see more of the butterflies, less of the butterflies where I wanted. So I made sure I got a big glob of the glitters, and then I wiped the gel brush, and then I spread out the glitters how I wanted to on the nail, and then I cured this. And you guys, I'm so sorry I did not get to film the bling placement, the bling application on these nails. I just used some gold crystals, and to adhere them I used builder gel, and then on top of it I went in with the s&mnailcandi no wipe top coat, and I adhered the gems that way. So again, I told you guys it's super easy to do like glitter right with gel polish, because you have more control over the product where you want the glitters to go. So if you guys like want the glitter fade or this, I think it's kind of easier to do it this way than doing it all in acrylic. I found this was super easy to do and super pretty, and I could move it around as much as I wanted to and get the glitters placed exactly where I liked. And you guys can see this is without filing, so you guys can see how smooth the Royalty Nail Supplies acrylic went on. And I also have been working with it, and for me, if you build it up, you don't need to clear cap it. So I don't know if that's something that they advertise or not, but it was pigmented enough that I didn't need to clear cap it, and when I went into file, none of the pigment came off. So here are some shots of the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful spring acrylic nail tutorial. I will see you next time.